So I'm really excited to demo the Ask Sidekick feature today. The Ask Sidekick feature is where we brought AI into the product. The AI is sitting next to the request, the ticket as the analyst is working. Sidekicks is our term for AI agents, and we like sidekicks because we believe AI is there to help humans, and we think sidekick as a phrase is a good representation of that belief. All right, so let's jump into the Ask Sidekick feature. Let me orient you real quick to what you're seeing. We've got a ticket right here that you can see, and what's happening is Jim is asking for access to Slack, a pretty standard ticket. So we've got our ticket information over here, and we can see the Ask Sidekick feature. So I'm going to go over here. And as an analyst, I'm not sure what to do next. So I'm going to ask, what should I do? As an analyst, that's a pretty reasonable question. This is the response we got. So we can see that there's a source here it's using, which is the playbook Slack app assignment via Okta. And we can see this is what the playbook says. So it's reading this playbook. Here you can see that we've got hints to the automation, which are essentially the skills in the Fixify product that are available. So now I'm going to go ahead and run a skill just to get some output and see what we should do next. So I'm going to list app users for Okta. And I'm going to do that for Slack. So what we can do now is ask a question like, what have we already done? And the reason we'd ask that is maybe we've come on from a shift and we're just trying to orient ourselves to the current state of the request. You could also imagine we'd say something like, hey, summarize what we've done thus far. You can see that, hey, there was an attempt was made to list users assigned to the application. No further actions such as adding Jim to Slack was confirmed. And then it's asking, would you like guidance on next steps? So that's an example of how you can use this to orient yourself, not just figure out what to do next, but orient yourself to what's going on in the request. What would be pretty normal at this point is you'd want to draft a response. So I could ask Sidekicks to draft a response. You can see this is the response I get when I draft a response to the current user, and it's based on the current state of the ticket, what we've done thus far. You might see that the response is a little odd. In this case, our made-up customer prefers we talk like a pirate, and so our response is actually talking to the end user like a pirate as we update on the state of the ticket. Now, the last thing I'll call out is feedback. Feedback is really important because it's how we improve, and it's really great to have so many users using this feature. There's two ways to provide feedback: thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up is a really good response, thumbs down is a bad response. And then the user can optionally, if I click it, provide context on why it was a good response or a bad response. So that's it for the Ask Sidekick feature. One of the things I really love about this feature is that its impact is only limited by the imagination of the user. If you want to learn more about this feature, some of the challenges we addressed building it, please check out our blog post.